My phone fell! Evening. It's around 8 o'clock on Sunday. It's Easter Sunday. Hope everyone had a good Easter. Hope all your families are alright and everything like that. Bike. Sorry about the wind. It's gonna be a good evening. It's a late starter. I'm hoping that tonight we can get a fair bit cleaned up on the seats, such as just the cloth and everything, because they're on the cloth, but on the GTI seats. So that's that. I forgot to add, I'm going to be trying out a new camera tonight. It's not a GoPro. It's a cheaper alternative. It's just a temporary thing for driving clips and stuff like that. So the clips might make it in, might not. I'll decide. If you see the clips and they're a bit of a lower quality, it's not because I'm filming on my phone, it's because I'm filming on that. So I don't know what it's going to be like. Give it a shot tonight and then we'll go from there. Right, we're in the Lexus. About to head off to go give my mate a lift. Let's get the car started. Check it's in neutral. Be straight fired up. Let it warm up a bit. And then we will be on our way. The next time you'll see me, it'll be about a second or two for you guys. It'll be dark. I'll be on my way home. Just dropped all my mates off in town. Now on the way home, driving to the city centre. Just a nice little drive. Traffic lights at the minute. No! My phone fell! Cock. Go down here. See how far we get. Nearly home now. Time to get ready to go sort the seats out in the Golf. Just going through the industrial estate in my little town. Not my town, but you know what I mean. Where I live. And then once we are home, get the cleaning products out. Head up to the shed. Go clean some seats. Hopefully they'll turn out alright. I don't think they're too far gone with the mould to save. I don't think they'll need a wet vac. I think they just need a good clean. Because they're not really mouldy. If anything, there's none on it at all. I think it was just all the mould underneath on the carpet where there's a pool of water. But once we're home, we'll crack on with that. See you there. Here we are, back at home now. Got the seats behind us, got the 2 front seats, and then we've got the rear seats. We are about to start cleaning them up. We've got this isn't sponsored, obviously, I haven't got that sort of platform yet. The Simon is, if I'm saying that right, upholstery and carpet cleaner. It's got a little brush on, you spray it, it's just pretty simple. Spray it on the seat. Quite a thick layer, and then with the brush head, it sounds really rough though, to be fair. So whether it's going to be good for it, I'm not too sure, but we'll see. Needs be, we can get them reupholstered. Let's start work. It is now the next day. Today we're going to be working on the rear seats. We stopped last night because it got a bit late. It got to 11 o'clock or so. So let's just jump straight into it and crack on with the rear seats.
If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. how it's supposed to feel.